What is happening, everybody? Welcome back. Sorry I haven't recorded it in a while. There honestly wasn't anything to record. I mean, I did do some small adjustments to the intercooler, but honestly, really nothing. I can't really drive the car, so I felt like the content would have been pretty boring. But as you guys saw from the title of this video, you guys know that we're gonna go get tuned. I am gonna put the full part list at the end of this video, or probably in the description. And yes, I will be releasing the numbers, just so that way you guys do have an idea of what these turbos can do, and on a stock engine and tranny. Trying to think what else. I'm supposed to be there at 9. It's like an hour and a half drive, so technically if I leave right now I would barely make it, but I know they usually take out all the cars and stuff, so I think I got some time. I'm gonna do the car wash right now, just because I haven't really driven this car in a little while, so try to wash it, get it ready, and then yeah, I mean, we're expecting for sure over 800 wheel. It is roughly right now it's probably 70 degrees out, but the weather out here actually can get into the hundreds, so 105, 117. It all depends, I mean, I am going down below, so it is a little bit cooler, but it's not that much cooler, so the numbers are probably going to be not as high as we want it, just because of the heat. I'm sure once winter comes around, it'll run immaculate. But yeah, I'll catch up with you guys at the car wash real quick. It's a long fucking drive from where I'm at, so for some reason I live so far away from the city, but it is what it is. So I'm here. Sheesh. They've actually changed the shop since the last time I came here, but let's check it out. Yeah. They also got this. I remember this not even being here. Look at that. So it is nice. Sorry, I was taking. Hey. Final number. God damn. The final numbers, drum roll please, was 850 and 650 something torque. I gotta pull up the damn picture. But damn, that shit took a lot longer than I thought. But dude, shout out to Sam. That fool hooked it up. Dude, freaking, I thought I wasn't gonna be able to hook on these tires, because right now I'm running on a DYNO NT 555 G2, so they're for daily driving and stuff like that. But I hooked, bro. I hooked easily. Even through second gear, I was like, what the heck? I mean, I guess if you do a dig, you're probably not gonna hook. But if you do a second gear or a third, you're gonna hook. So shout out. So if any of you guys are in that power level and you guys are wondering about what tires to get and you're trying to save money, get the NT 555 G2s. I'm right here with my fat ass eating Carl's because I didn't eat all day, and I'm on my way home right now. What the? Ooh, what's up with these people? I'm stuck in traffic, and I'm not even in LA yet, so that fucking sucks. But yeah, I mean, the car ran great. He gave me 4 maps. I have anti-lag, and to be honest, when Seb drove it and he gave me the ride in it while he was doing the anti-lag, I never felt anything like that before. Like, I got thrown in the back of my seat, and that was just like, I think the second or third map. It wasn't the 4th map, which is the max setting. And then on top of that, he said that if the weather ends up being below like 40 or something like that, I'm probably gonna gain like 30 or 40 more horsepower, so we'll be at like almost 900 wheel. So he said to be safe, don't do the 4th map, keep it in the 3rd map for safekeeping. You know, you don't want to push it no more than that. And I was like, all right. But yeah, I mean, everything ran super good, bro. Honestly, I didn't think we would hit the 850 mark because we were kind of hovering around 800. And then Seb did his magic, and then boom, we ended up at freaking 850. I was like, shit. I was like, 860? He was like, nah, chill. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. I will have more videos about the car soon, so, or maybe even going out to meets. So just stay tuned for that. Sorry I haven't been posting. As you knew why, it was because of the car. But now we should be good. More content to come. Peace.